Congratulations on completing the Email Deliverability Best Practices 2023 course. You did it. You are one of the top students who has ever enrolled, and we are so proud of you. We have shared everything our company uses to help businesses reach their email marketing goals, and now you have the knowledge to take your startup, agency, or small business to the next level. But there is one more step you need to take to officially complete the course. Take action. Remember, all the information in the world means nothing if it's not applied. So we encourage you to choose one of the steps or strategies we have covered and implement it in your own email marketing strategy starting today. Even a small action can have a profound impact on your life and business. We hope you enjoyed the course and found it extremely valuable. We would be grateful if you could take a moment to leave your honest feedback on Udemy by clicking the Leave a Comment button at the top right corner of your screen. It only takes 60 seconds and your feedback will help us improve. Thank you for choosing us as your instructor on this exciting journey. We are thrilled for you, and we want you to know that we are always here to help. If you need anything, feel free to contact us on social media platforms or through the Q&A section. Congratulations again!